Hello everyone, welcome back on our channel Belly Babes, where you get the brand new footwear collection. So friends, if you are visiting on our channel Belly Babes for the first time, then please make sure you subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get the latest notification of our videos. So let's start the video. So guys, in this video we will show you the Skechers footwear collection for ladies. Yes guys, all of these are the very good quality and with very good quality material. And one of the most comfortable and stylish footwear collection for you guys. So friends, there's a request for you guys. Please watch this video till end and please share this video with your family friends so that they will also have an idea about such kind of beautiful and comfortable footwear collection. So guys, as you can see at the top right corner, prices also mentioned there, which is very helpful point for you. So guys, I hope you will enjoy. So please like this video and subscribe our channel Belly Babes so that in future you will never miss any updates from Belly Babes. So friends, now let's talk about how you can purchase these footwear. So guys, if you want to buy, then there is a purchase link given below in the description box. Just click on the video's title and scroll down. There you will see the blue colored link. So guys, that is the purchase link. So if you click on the link, then you will redirect to the website. From there you can easily place order for these footwears from any country at any time. So guys, this is the best thing for you, and cash on delivery option will be also there. So guys, lot of comfortable options are available for you. You can try any color, any shade as per your choice. So guys, you can see the Skechers footwear collection for ladies, which are the most comfortable, and these are especially for youngsters who needs very stylish and the glossy colored footwears. And you can easily wear these footwears for a long time in a day. Like you can easily wear these footwears from 7 to 8 hours in a day without having any problem. So guys, what are you waiting for? Check out the link which is given below in the description box, and you can easily place order for these footwears from any country at any time. So guys, let's have a look and let us know in the comment section that which footwear do you like the most from this collection, because all of these are the very stylish and comfortable and newly launched footwears for you guys. And this is the upcoming footwears for 2022. So guys, you can see the designs are pretty good and colors are very glossy. And guys, make sure you subscribe our channel Belly Babes so that in future you will never miss any updates from Belly Babes. And we are always trying to do our best to bring the best quality footwears for you guys. So guys, we have tried to show the all categories of footwears, and we have added some categories of semi-casual also there. So guys, you can see the sneaker shoes as well as the genuine leather collection also there guys. So guys, I hope you will really enjoy it, and please like this video and subscribe our channel. And if you have a doubt or any query, then comment section is always available for you. You can comment freely at any time. So guys, I repeat, if you want to buy, then there is a purchase link given below in the description box. So please check out the link and buy these footwears for yourself. So guys, you can see the bathroom sleeper also there, as well as the bedroom sleepers. So guys, we have tried to show the all categories of footwears for you guys. By the way, the main highlight of this video is that you can see the sneakers footwear collection, which are on trend and very glossy and with a lot of color variations are available. So guys, you always ask the same question that how to buy and where to buy. So guys, we always giving the purchase link in the description box of every video. So please check out the link and don't spam and don't ask every time that how to buy and where to buy. We always give the purchase link in the description box of every video. So guys, check out the link. And one more thing guys, there are a lot of fake Belly Babes YouTube channel are on YouTube now, which are offering you to purchase footwear at low prices, and they are totally scamming you. They will also ask you to send the payment and your other OTP passwords. So please don't send the payment to them and don't share your OTP passwords to anyone else. We always give the safe purchase links and safe resources to place order for these footwears. So guys, be aware from these kind of scammers and spammers who are taking the name of Belly Babes. So guys, hope you understand, and make sure you subscribe our channel Belly Babes. And thank you so much for supporting our channel Belly Babes and giving so much love to our videos. So guys, keep watching and keep supporting Belly Babes, and we are always trying to do our best to bring the best quality footwear for you. So guys, see you in the next video. Goodbye and take care guys.